Welcome to today's video guide. In this video, we will be addressing a common issue that TikTok users might encounter in 2023, the lack of the profile view option on the platform. If you're having trouble accessing this crucial feature on your TikTok profile, don't worry. We're here to guide you through the steps to resolve this issue and enable you to smoothly browse your profile. Open your TikTok application and go to your profile page, then click on the small icon in the top right corner. This option allows you to see who has visited your TikTok profile in the last 30 days. If you don't have this option on your profile, I will now show you how to solve the problem using two different methods. The first method is to exit the TikTok application and open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, in the search bar, type TikTok. If you see Update, it's possible that you haven't received the profile view option due to not having the latest version of TikTok. Click on Update and wait for the application to update. Once the update is complete, check if the profile view option has appeared on your profile. If you still don't have the option even after updating TikTok, let's move on to the next method. Open your TikTok application. Then, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on the TikTok profile, you want to take a screenshot that we'll use later, so go ahead and take a screenshot. After that, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Report a Problem option. Once you've located it, click on it. Scroll down again until you reach the bottom and click on Submit a Report. What we're going to do now is to contact TikTok and send them a message. Explain to them that you want to resolve an issue, mention that you don't have the profile view option on your profile. Kindly ask them to enable that option for you and promptly address your problem. Also, attach the screenshot we took to provide them with a detailed explanation. TikTok should respond to you in a short time frame and resolve your issue. We hope we've helped and enabled you to have the profile view option. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.